this? Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Amazing. This is just recently broken. You can tell that. This is quite sandy actually, and oh, like a little bit of a power going. Wow. Just look at all these trees that are falling down. Amazing. Well, that's where I've just come from. Brilliant. Lovely. It's actually cooling here. I mean, it's still registered in 30 degrees, but you know, you just get the impression that it's a lot cooler here. Just makes all the difference. Right out the trees into the trail. It's quite a narrow one. And we get clotheslined by a bramble a few days ago, so just a little bit cautious of these narrow stretches, just making sure that nothing's feeding across it. Oh my word, look at this. Unbelievable. Amazing, you know, the canopy is so thick, and because it's so dry, you know, there's not a lot of light coming through. You know, nothing's really growing underneath as well, so it's just, it really is top draw, it really is. Look at that, beautiful. Amazing. I think, you know, you kind of run out of words to describe, you know, what you're experiencing. You know, it's just a bit awe-inspiring, and this is what I get. You know, this is what I mean in that. Let's go this way. You kind of think, oh, I have to go on a, you know, a long adventure to experience, you know, amazing sights. You just don't have to do that. You know, if you can just experience lots of amazing places very close at hand. It doesn't, you know, it's only you know, within half an hour's ride, an hour's ride of wherever you are, you can find just some truly stunning, I mean, you know, truly stunning sights. I mean, you know, if you don't think this is amazing, then, you know, there's obviously, I think there's something wrong with it, because, you know, just like looking at the ocean, isn't it? Or looking at mountain ranges, or looking, whatever it is, you know, you're looking at it and you're thinking, wow. Which way to go? I'll go this way. So there is a junction here that I need to go up. I believe it's this one, yeah. Up the hill now. Power on. Still on road setting here as well, so I'm just going to see, you know, if it can do it. It can do it. It's just, as you saw that, or you might have heard that, the power just starts to pull off, you know, so you just need to power it through. But, you know, really, I should have put it in off-road mode. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. sure if it is actually, to be honest with you. Yeah, I think I went in this time, last time, didn't I? Oh, bugger chops. Gravity helped me here a little bit. Go back. Yeah, I've been into that gate before actually. Well, it seems well they all look the same actually after a while, but no, I remember being there before from the other side, I'm sure, and coming to it and thinking, oh bugger. So I'll do, get down a little bit further, see where I get to. Sit on the back of the bike a little bit and put weight, cover the back tyre and the clutch. Squeeze on the front brake as well. Just you want to put the back brake on, you know, let it work as well. Squeeze on the front brake, you don't want that to lock up the front and just let it slip from under you. But you know, all the weight really, because you're going downhill, is going to be on the front tyre. So that's the one that's going to work for you. But you kind of have to be very loosey-goosey with it, you know what I mean? You know, anything aggressive, anything, you know what I mean, aggressive, anything harsh, you know, too energetic, then you're gonna, you know, struggle a little bit. You know what, let's just carry on through the woods. Amazing. Such a great ride anyway, so you know, why not exploit it? Beautiful. Whoop-a-la. Still in road mode, so really having to manage the expectation of that. Oop, over the tree root, over the hump. Oop-a-la. Beautiful.